Hi everyone, Robin Miller here, and today we are smoking charcuterie. Yes, that's right, we are. It is so much fun. I can't wait to share this with you because I know you're going to want to try it. It's the most amazing thing that you can do for your family and your friends. It's delicious and it's easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it with the Foghat Cocktail Smoker from Thousand Oaks Barrel Company. It's all done on this charcuterie board. I used lots of fresh, colorful ingredients. I'm going to put them on the board and smoke them, and wait till you see how delicious this turns out. I know you're going to want to try it. So I just gathered some ingredients that I love, I love them smoked, I love them not smoked, but they're way better smoked. So when I build the charcuterie board, you can think about what ingredients do you love that you would love to try with that wonderful smoked flavor. So one of my favorite ingredients, if you follow my blog, you know this is true. I love mozzarella, fresh mozzarella. So I have these little balls of fresh mozzarella called ciliegine. You can also use bocconcini. You can get a block of fresh mozzarella and cut it into cubes, just bite-sized cubes, because what we're going for here is a charcuterie platter. So it's bite-sized. You want it to be finger food friendly, we'll say. Then I have pepperoni. I took a stick of pepperoni and sliced it. You can use salami, you can use pre-sliced pepperoni and just kind of, make it decorative if you want, or just put it right here on the board. And then I took my son's cheese sticks from his lunchbox. Well, I didn't take them from the lunchbox. Instead of putting them in the lunchbox, I cut the cheese sticks into bite-sized pieces. This is a Colby cheddar combination, so that'll be nice balance, a little bit of a sharp cheese to balance the sweet creamy butteriness of the fresh mozzarella. And then I have some fresh grape tomatoes, which I love. And if you haven't tried smoked tomatoes, it brings out their sweetness while adding this fantastic smoky quality. It's just so good. And the same thing with peppers. Smoked peppers and roasted peppers are absolutely amazing. So I took these sweet mini peppers and gave them a quick rinse so they're ready to eat, and I'll pop them right on the board right next to everything else. And then almonds, smoked almonds, right? I know, delicious. So these are just raw blanched almonds. I'll put them right here where I have a little room. And the great thing is, when you see how quick and easy this process is, you can keep doing it. So when all this runs out, make another board, maybe do different ingredients the next time around. So it's super fun, which is why I like to have everything kind of mise en place in little dishes, and then we just keep smoking and eating and drinking and having a good time. So now this is the fun part. So I'm going to cover the vegetables and the cheese and the meat with the cloche. It's the glass dome. It's going to hold the smoke in. And then I have the little Foghat Cocktail Smoker. So this can be used on your cocktail glass if you want to do a smoked Manhattan, a smoked Old Fashioned. There's lots of great ideas that you could do for smoked cocktails, which are all the rage these days if you haven't noticed. So you take there's little holes in the bottom of this. This holds the chips, the wood chips. So I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to fill this with, in this case, I have whiskey barrel oak chips, but you can get cherry, you can get Texas mesquite, you can get sherry. There's a variety of different flavors that you can enhance, your fruits, vegetables, and meats, or your cocktails. So I'm going to take a pinch. You want to fill this about 2/3 full, loosely packed. So we're going to get that, and you want to do it separately from the wood. You want to add it to this after it's filled, so you don't, just in case you don't get any wood chips on the side that don't make it into this mesh screen. Okay, so now this gets nestled in, right, to this little holder, and it's got the little holes so the smoke can come out and flavor your food. Get that right in there. Okay, now I'm gonna get my lid handy because we want to trap that smoke in there. And this is the Foghat torch. You can get a kitchen torch. You want to use it about medium heat to get the flame on there. You don't need a raging fire. You just want smoke to be created. So I'm gonna get this. I like to hold it here first, see the flame, then get it to The chips, see the smoke going in there already? Yes. You can go as long as you want. A little smoke, a lot of smoke. Burn that baby down and get all those wonderful flavors. This is going to be the wonderful whiskey barrel oak flavor going into the cheese, the tomatoes, the peppers, and the pepperoni, and the almonds. Can't forget the almonds. Oh, look at that. Yes. Okay, that's beautiful. So now I'm going to quickly get my Fog Hat cocktail smoker lid on there. Boom. Now we just let that, oh, look at that. Beautiful. Let it do its thing. You can lift the lid now. You can lift it in a minute or two. But I think for dramatic effect, I'm going to maybe lift the lid and show you what it looks like. After, let's see, 1, 2, I want to get that cheese to get all that wonderful flavor. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Yes. Smoked. Oh, it smells so good. Smoked charcuterie board, Fog Hat cocktail smoker. You guys are going to love this one. I'm going to dive in, and then I'm going to make a whole new one when this is all devoured. So thanks for joining me. I hope you love this, and I hope you try it. I'll see you next time.